Hello po, magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Ngayon po ay January 16, 2022 or 2023, Monday, at maligayang Lunes sa inyong lahat. Ito po si Benji Chodoro, isang retired bank officer na nagsimula mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. At ang ating main news ngayon ay tungkol po sa Metro Pacific. Uli. Iniimbitahan ko po kayo mag-subscribe sa aking channel. Kung meron po kayong stocks na gustong ipa-review o meron po kayong tanong tungkol sa Philippine stock market, i-comment nyo lang po sa comment box at aking prioritize. Hindi po ako financial advisor. Mga sinasabi ko po dito ay hindi po financial advice. At get well soon. Mary, we're praying for your recovery. Huwag kayong alis dahil babahagi ko sa inyo ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, January 16, 2023, kalahating buwan na kaagad. Dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Okay po, ang ating financial headlines ay galing po ng BDO Securities. 2024 National Budget to Address Economic Scarring and Global Headwinds. Medallia says BSP to cut RRR by 200 basis points at the right time. RRR po, ito yung required reserve requirements ng mga bangko. Na for every peso deposit, you are to keep a certain percentage, currently 12%. No? So that's 12 centavos for every peso to be kept as reserve in the central bank. So bababaan po nila yan to 10%. MER acts to mitigate tight electricity supply. And then MPI considers delisting in the PSE, and Opson International revives 4 billion IPO. So ito pong MER considers delisting na news na po natin yan last Friday, and nakita naman po natin naging epekto niyan, tumaas lalo yung share price ng MER. Baka strategy lang kaya to? Sana po ay kasi for a while MER has been very slow to climb, no? So tingnan mo po natin itong isang news dito. MER acts to mitigate tight electricity supply. MER is putting in place measures to mitigate the impact of the expected tight power supply in Luzon this summer. These measures include, number 1, conducting 2 biddings for short-term power supply agreements, one for 180 megawatts baseload and another for 300 megawatts peaking, and 2, attracting more large end users to participate in the Interruptible Load Program, or ILP. The ILP is a demand-side management program led by the DOE and the Energy Regulatory Commission, wherein participants will be asked to temporarily deload from the grid and use their generator sets when there is supply deficiency and power interruptions are imminent. Pre-enrolled customers who go temporarily off-grid are entitled to fuel compensation covering the hours when the red alert was raised, in accordance with the formula approved by the ERC. As part of its demand-side initiatives, the power distributor is also collaborating with the DOE for a communications plan for energy efficiency. With power rates increasing, Meralco has advised its customers to continue practicing energy efficiency to better manage their electricity consumption. Okay, so yan po ang news natin, at kaakibat po dyan yung Metro Pacific considers delisting the PSE, which we already had last Friday. Okay, let's take a look at the Philippine Stock Exchange. Yan, umakyat na naman. Nasa 7045.48 or 93.94 points up, 1.35% po ang akyat ni PSE. And let's put up our indicators. Bullish po siya, no? Na-break na po niya yung 7,000 level. Yan. And let's take a look at the market activity. 138 ang umabante, 65 ang umatras or bumaba, 46 ang hindi nagbago. Dito naman tayo sa all-share index, umakyat ng 1.03%. Ang financials, holding companies, industrials, properties and properties ay umakyat. Pinangunahan po ng financials at 2.8%. Samantalang ang mining at ang services ay bumaba. Ang financials, ang guess ko, BDO ang number 1 dito. Yan, tama nga, no? Most active is BPO, which had an increase of 5.46%, followed by SM, ICT, BPI, Ali, and Ayala Corporation. Pero tingnan po natin si BDO, SM, ICT, BPI, Ali, at Metro Pacific. Okay? Natin kung anong nangyari sa mga stocks na ito na inyong inaabangan. Let's now go to the analysis. But first, before we get to that, let me read some comments from our dear subscribers. And just a moment, hinahanap ko lang po. Eto, meron po dito, Bupi21, thank you sir, I can't help but feel left out on nickel. I was really eyeing on it but TEL dropped and I decided to grab the sale price. Okay. Alam niyo, marami pong opportunity sa Philippine stock market. Hindi lang po nickel at TEL, pero marami po. And you spot these opportunities by doing some technicals. No? Yun po. And then, Susan Nunez, thank you very much for your efforts to review the stock market daily. Very much appreciated po. Marami po salamat, Susan Nunez. Bupi21. Let's see if we still have some here. Okay, that's it. Okay, so let's now go to the review of our stocks. And let's go to the most active first. Ano? Most active is BDO. Lumilipad si BDO, ha? May continuation siya with volume. At makikita nyo po dito, yan po, oh, meron siyang gap up. 125 is a 52-week high. And, pasensya na po kayo, no? Medyo nahihirapan lang po ako dahil wala po akong mouse. Anyway, so ito po, no? Ito po ang pinaka-support niya. Nandito po sa area to. Yan, nasa 113.63. And so far, what I can place here is the support since 125.50 is a 52-week high. So kung nakabili po kayo dito at this level here, naku, napakagaling yung trader. 93.42 lang nung September, October. And here at this point here, nung January and December when the prices dipped to 106, ay okay na po yun. Yan po. Mas maganda po kung dito po kayo nakabili. Of course, that's hindsight. Pero just as it is, the stock is overbought. Ngayon po, overbought po siya. Ang RSI po niya ay nasa 73.75. And it's still moving higher because there is volume on the trades today. And baka lang po magkaroon ng consolidation dito before it further moves higher, or merong ibang news na nag-intervene kaya po ito ay maaring bumaba, no? But just as it is, yung confidence on the rates, no, na hindi na magkakaroon ng malakihang rate cuts is buoying the financial sector. Okay, and then SM. Si SM ay umaakyat din si SM, ha? And this is a breakout here because it's the highest in more than 2 weeks. The highest was here on December 1, pero bumaba po siya, nag-taper off until this. Remember, I was telling you the last time, there's a small candlestick here, pero meron pong volume. So, pagka meron pong volume ang isang small candlestick, maaari po yung umakyat, ano? Umakyat, at ito na nangyari. There's higher volume now, and nagkaroon po ng breakout, but this is not the highest. This is not a 52-week high, no? This is the highest in 1 month. December 2 pa kasi yung, or December 1 pa kasi yung pinakamataas nun eh. So, the support, I would place it, lagay natin sa EMA20 ang support, nasa 804. And yun po, bullish po ang ating stock na SM. Next is ICT, kumpanya ni Mr. Rason. Naku, it ended with a doji. But still, meron po siyang volume, ano? So, I expect the stock to move up since yung ating indicators nasa ilalim and the trades in the past 3 days had volume. So ito, mukhang nag-profit taking lang po. 210 ang kanyang presyo ngayon. Tingnan natin kung meron siyang ano yung fundamental price ni International Container Terminal. Has a buy rating. Target price is 279 or about a 34% upside. So yan po, no? Ang ating support, let's place it at EMA50 at 194.73. And the resistance, this is resistance level, nasa 208 or 209 ang pinaka-resistance po niya. Yan po. And then, let's take a look at another financial institution. BPI is, talaga naman, umaakyat si BPI, ha? Umaakyat po siya. And this is, umabot siya ng 115.40. And this is a 52-week high. So, the banks are moving up, no? And kamakailan lang, mga September ay, naku, nasa baba po siya, no? Nasa 89, 88, nag-close po ng, yan, 89.50 nung September. Nung December, the lowest point was 97.50. But that was the lowest point already. And 3 weeks later, eto na siya, 112. Yan po. Yan po si BPI. Ang pinaka-support niya ay pwede nating ilagay sa EMA50 at 93.12. Okay, then, tignan naman natin si Ali. Si Ali ay, yan, umaakyat din si Ali, ha, 31.60. And it is bullish at yung mga indicators natin dahil nasa ilalim ay paakyat. So nagbe-benefit po siya doon sa news that the succeeding rate hikes will be lower or matatemper na po dahil mukhang the market is sensing that inflation is tapering off, and that is why maaaring mag-increase pa po pero maliit na lang po. So parang it's either mag-increase ka ng konti or i-maintain mo lang yung rates ngayon until inflation goes down at saka ka magbawas ng rates, ano? So RRR is one of the tools used by the BSP to control the supply of money. Okay, so ang pinaka-support po ni Ali, pwede po natin ilagay dito sa area to, nasa 29. Nasa 29 or EMA50, 29.19. Yan po ang pinaka-support ni Ali. At yung 31.60 is resistance already. And then finally, we have Metro Pacific. Metro Pacific has been down for quite some time, no? Makikita niyo po yung downward movement. Mag-draw nga tayo ng trend line. dito po. From here to here, yan po. Pababa po siya. Let's draw another trend line here. Ayan eh, pababa siya. More or less ganyan. No? Then suddenly, nagkaroon ng turnaround here. No? From this point, no September, up to December, nagkaroon po ng pababang trend, no? But here, na-break po yung pinaka-resistance level at nagkaroon po ng breakout here. Although walang volume, ha? Tingnan natin. Merong maliit lang na volume, but that was enough to push the stock up. And because of the news that MPI will be delisting, and with the entry of a possible investor, ay umakyat po ang stock ng Metro Pacific. So, yung pinaka-support niya nasa 368 and yung 416 is a 52-week high. Yun po. So, maaring yung resistance nasa 4 pesos. Yung pinaka-resistance po ni Metro Pacific, overbought na po siya. No? Nasa 71.58. Okay, so yan po ang ating report sa stock market. Ika-16 ng Enero. Ito po si Benji Chadora nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay hanggang sa muli. Stay safe, God bless, and bye for now.